This is Unit 2, Practice 1, Question 5. So in the diagram below for each one, find the missing angle, or angles, and state the angle relationship used. There may be more than one. So let's look at this first one down here. AB is a straight line. Find the measure of angle C. Well, we have angles forming a line. That's the angle relationship. And we know that those sum to 180. So we have 40 degrees plus 36 plus angle C plus 90 equals 180 degrees. I have 90 and 180, so I know when I subtract the 90 over, we're going to have 76 plus angle C equals 90. You can solve this in more than one way. And that gives us the measure of angle C is 14 degrees. For B, we're going to use vertical angles as one relationship. And we know that those are always congruent to one another. So here we have a pair of verticals. So this is 112 degrees. And notice we have this little tick mark here on each angle, meaning that these two angles are also congruent. So this is 112 degrees. So we used congruent angles. Angle B is vertical with 112, so that is also 112 degrees. And to find the measure of angle C, those are supplementary or a linear pair. So angle C plus 112 equals 180. Linear pairs sum to 180. So we know that angle C is going to be 68 degrees. And angle A is vertical with angle C, so angle A equals 68 degrees as well. So again, we used vertical angles again. For example C, we have angles at a point. Which sum to 360. And we are looking for this angle right here. That's the one with the variable in it. So 296 plus x minus 24 plus 29 equals 360 degrees. When we combine 296, negative 24, and positive 29, we get 301. So angle x plus 301 equals 360. So angle x measures 59 degrees. Our last example, D, we're going to find all of the labeled angles. So we can start wherever we'd like here. I notice that these are vertical, so the measure of angle D is 70. I also know that angle B is vertical with 40, so angle B measures 40 degrees. Let's see, where do we want to go next with this? I'll go here. So I have angles forming a line. These two angles happen to be equal to one another, so I'm just going to put a variable x and x. So 2x plus 40 plus 70 equals 180 since they form a line. 2x plus 110 equals 180 degrees. 2x equals 70, so x equals 35 degrees each. A is vertical with that 35 degrees, so that would be 35 degrees as well. C is vertical with the other one, so that's also 35 degrees. So these are also congruent to those top two. So A and C are each 35, B is 40 degrees, D is 70 degrees. And that concludes the practice for Lesson 1.